volume. Observe the rectangle shown here. It has only two dimensions, length and breadth. Also, it encloses some surface of the plane on which it is drawn. This surface is called its area. So we can say that a two-dimensional shape encloses some area. Thus, two-dimensional shapes are also called plane shapes. Now observe this cube. It has three dimensions: length, breadth and height. It encloses some space. This space is called its volume. So we can say that a three-dimensional shape occupies some volume. Thus, three-dimensional shapes are also called solid shapes or solids. So the amount of space occupied by a solid is called its volume. Most of the things around us are solids. So all these have some volume. Take a measuring glass and put some water in it. Suppose the water level is up to mark 3. Now drop some marbles one by one into the jar and note the water level. You will see that as we drop the marbles, the water level rises. After dropping 2 marbles, the water level is raised by 1 unit. After 4 marbles, the water level is raised by 2 units, and so on. We can say that the space occupied by 2 marbles is 1 unit, or the volume of 2 marbles is 1 unit. This is a non-standard unit of volume. Now we will discuss some standard units of volume. We measure length in centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. Similarly, we measure area in square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer, etc. Area of a square of side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. Area of a square of side 1 meter is 1 square meter. And area of a square of side 1 kilometer is 1 square kilometer. In the same way, the volume of a cube of edge 1 centimeter is taken as 1 cubic centimeter, denoted as 1 cubic cm. Volume of a cube of edge 1 meter is 1 cubic meter, that is 1 cubic m. What can you say about the volume of a cube of edge 1 millimeter? Obviously, its volume is 1 cubic millimeter. Observe this shape. It is made up of 1 centimeter cubes, that is, volume of each small cube is 1 cubic centimeter. The bottom layer has 4 cubes. Next layer has 3 cubes. Next upper layer has 2 cubes. And the top layer also has 2 cubes. So the shape is made up of 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, that is 11 cubes. Since the volume of 1 cube is 1 cubic centimeter, so volume of the shape is 11 cubic centimeter. Thus, to find the volume of a shape, we find the number of unit cubes it is made up of. Now let us discuss how to find the volume of a cube or a cuboid. Observe these cuboids. These cuboids are made up of 1 centimeter cubes. To find the volume of each cuboid, we count the number of 1 centimeter cubes it is made up of. In cuboid 1, there are 4 unit cubes. So its volume is 4 cubic centimeter. Also, its dimensions are 4 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. In cuboid 2, there are 6 unit cubes. So its volume is 6 cubic centimeter. Also, its dimensions are 2 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter. In cuboid 3, there are 12 unit cubes. So its volume is 12 cubic centimeter. Also, its dimensions are 2 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. So what do we conclude? We see that volume of a cuboid is the product of its length, breadth and height. We know that in case of a cube, length, breadth and height are equal. So volume of a cube is equal to length into length into length. Now let us find the volume of a cuboid of length 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter and height 8 millimeter. Here we express all the units either in centimeter or in millimeter. If we express the dimensions in millimeter, then the volume comes out to be 12,000 cubic millimeter. And if we express the dimensions in centimeter, then the volume comes out to be 12 cubic centimeter.